Alright, this is my first video of the Erevo VXL. This is Diekin returning with another project of mine. Just got it today, brand new, of course, unopened, brushless edition, Erevo 16th scale. And as you can see, it is voted the #1 RC car, mini scale extreme RC car of the year. I personally feel that the Revo in itself, the entire brand, should be marked the car or truck of the decade. As you can see from my other projects, I have my scooter here. And of course, I got my E-Revo located under here. Of course, I'm still working on that and stuff. So that project went well. Just got a few more minor changes I need to do on it, like the arms for the high-tack servos and the exhaust pipe. I couldn't get that RD Logix tuner thing to work. Exhaust pipe sounds terrific, sounds like a monster, will wake up the entire neighborhood, but for whatever reason it's impossible to tune. And of course we do remember, well, this is actually one of my newest additions. I have the Traxxas Boss 302. It's made from the same Revo type body and E-Revo 16 scale, runs pretty fast. And I have my other beast over here that I still need to work on. Just had a couple of mishaps on it. But it's a great car. This is my, oh, can't see it over here. Let me turn the light on. Ah, there we go. This is the Kyosho MP777 Inferno. I bought it gas for about $100, and I fully converted it to electric. If any of you guys are familiar with that conversion kit, I have it, the 2200 kV Mamba Monster system installed. I actually ran that for about 3.5, close to 4 hours using 4-cell LiPo batteries. I think the burst output on those are about 25, maybe 30 C on the batteries, and the highest temp it ran was 125 degrees, and the fan was not working. So if you're interested in getting a monster system, I would definitely go with the 8-scale Mamba Monster. Thing is really powerful. I love it. Anyway, this car is a beast anyway, so this little conversion cost me less, under $450, $500. Got the body for 100, Mamba Monster system, 240 conversion kit. Could have went with the Castle Creations conversion kit, but it put the ESC up here on the top. But I went with the actual Kyosho. I ran that about 94. So all in all, I'm still under $400. So I mean, it's a great deal. Under 450, whatnot. So anyway, great car. So tomorrow we will be starting a project on the Erevo VXL, and if you have any questions, email me, kiodiekin@yahoo.com, KIODIEKIN, and just watch out for more information and more upgrades.